Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and today we're going to be unboxing the new Moto Razr for you. Now this is a reincarnation of what is probably Motorola's most popular smartphone, maybe one of the most popular smartphones of all time. So let's just quickly go ahead and see what you get if you buy this phone. Of course, the box itself has a pretty novel design. It's pretty cool to see that somebody is taking the effort to think about, different kind of packaging. So let's just go ahead, open it up. And when you do open it, you find the Moto Razr just vertically sitting there. And what's really cool about this box is that you'd want to keep it because Motorola has built the box in such a way it can also act as a speaker. You just plonk the phone in its cradle and then this little box amplifies the sound. It's pretty cool. Now after the phone, you also get this case, which could just as easily be a spectacle case, and inside you have a number of accessories. You've got a Type-C based earphone which is included in the box, and it has a nice braided cable. There's an 18-watt charger, again a simple braided Type-C cable, and also a Type-C to 3.5mm converter. Now we asked Motorola in particular what happens if somebody loses this converter, and they said they do plan to have stock of this little accessory moving forward. Now that's actually a very standard set of accessories that you would expect to get in the box with any high-end smartphone. Like, this is priced as a high-end smartphone. But the Razr is a foldable smartphone with a, this foldable display thing is so cool these days. Now, I've had the chance to use the Razr both at CES and in Motorola's office. There are a couple of things that are pretty nice. One, you can actually open the phone up with your thumb and also close it as such. Motorola has designed the phone in such a way that the display is not fully edge to edge. There is a very slim bezel, so if you just try to flip it up with your thumb, you know that you're not going to be hitting the screen or damaging it with your thumb, because your thumb will actually hit the bezels first. So that's pretty cool. Also, the phone appears to be slightly broader than its original version, so that's probably because Moto wanted to maintain a certain aspect ratio. It's 21:9, so maintaining that aspect ratio was important. Additionally, all of the components are housed in the bottom half of the phone, so they needed probably space to incorporate all of that. There is a secondary battery in the top panel as well, but that's pretty much it. So overall, the Moto Razr looks like a really cool device, no doubt about it, but foldable phones are not without their faults. We've seen the Galaxy Fold fall susceptible to display issues, and there have also been reports of the Motorola Razr itself having display and hinge issues. So we'll really have to wait and see how Moto manages to finally release the smartphone to the market without any problems with the display. We were told by Motorola that they are constantly trying to improve the display itself, and the unit that we just unboxed has also gone through various iterations in terms of display technology. So Moto is constantly trying to improve the display itself, especially on the durability front. So when it actually hits the market is when we'll have to see whether Moto lives up to its promise of a durable smartphone or not. So thank you guys for watching this video. In case you liked it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you guys for watching.